It has a remarkably high levels of vitamin E and squalene. Ano naman ang squalene? So, let's talk about essential fatty acids. Medyo medical ng konti to. Teka yung candy yun. Manipis na. Wait na. Saka tumalisik sa'yo. Gusto mo? Ito muna. Fatty acids actually is necessary for the human body in many ways. But the problem is, fatty acids cannot be synthesized by the body. So, yung body natin does not process omega-6 and omega-9. So, kailangan kunin mo yun sa outside source. And that is from oil. An example, and very popular example would be, chika ka naman, yun ang lecture eh. Fish oil. Di ba? Yan, fish oil, omega-6, di ba? Omega-9. So, you take the fatty acids externally from oil. And the most popular is actually fish oil, but in Morocco, they use the argan oil. So, 80% of essential fatty acids, argan oil contains 80% of essential fatty acids. And it has antioxidant and moisturizing properties, yung essential fatty acids na yan. Ang shortcut dyan, EFA. Diba narinig niya sa TV minsan? EFA, sa mga gatas ng bata. So, essential fatty acids or EFAs is vital for the manufacturing or repair of cell membranes. Kasi as you grow old, di ba nadi-destroy yung cells natin through the process of metabolism and aging. So, kailangan may essential fatty acids para mag-repair yung cells na yan so that you don't age. Diba? Ito mo si Chief Bong. May inom ng argan oil yan. So there are also essential fatty acids is also important in excreting harmful waste. So yeah, sa kanya yung waste products ng body to eliminate. And eliminated through the urine or the feces. Fatty acids also regulate the sebum production of the sebaceous glands in the formation of prostaglandins. That's why argan oil is very effective in the treatment of inflammatory conditions such as pimple. Ano pa? Acne. Di ba magpareho lang? Correct. Psoriasis. So, basta inflammatory conditions, even allergies. Kasi mapula yan eh. Basta mapula, may pula, ang redness is a sign of inflammation. So that means to say, you can use argan oil for any form of redness. As a matter of fact, kahit sa sugat. Kasi it will aid in the healing of that wound. Okay? So, pag nag-start na lumabas yung argan oil, pag tinanong ng mga nire-recruit nyo, pwede may argan oil dito? Pwede! Hindi! Walang naman. Mapuli! Okay, these essential fatty acids are also important for the regulation and maintenance of healthy skin and preventing premature signs of aging. Actually, wala nakikita mukhang may age dito, kasi dahil sa aura. So, yes! Diba? Ay, thank you. Yan. Kaya, supplement tong argan oil dyan. Pampabilis ng pampabata. So apart from essential fatty acids, argan oil has prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are formed from fatty acids under enzymatic action. Basta, in the body, yung essential fatty acids, merong enzyme na nag-aakapan doon, tapos nagpo-produce siya ng prostaglandins. These are important to prevent or to treat inflammation. So, yan ang value ng prostaglandin. Okay? Yan, anti-inflammatory and has a bearing on overall cell development and cell growth. Ibig sabihin, to renew the cell from damage. For example, sigarilyo ka, yung act of smoking, pagpasok nito dun sa, yung smoke, dun sa lungs mo, sa mouth mo, yung irritation na yun, inflammation na yun. So, actually, the people from Morocco or the Berbers orally take argan oil. Yeah. for various disease processes. So, and then, apart from prostaglandins, argan oil has vitamin E. Alam niyo naman ang vitamin E. Sa commercial yan. Di ba? Tinutusok yan ni Fanny Serrano, pinapahid niya. But the best, actually that's not a good way to use vitamin E. Kasi hindi naman yun for skin. It does not get absorbed easily. Later, you will also find out that argan oil is easily absorbed because of sterols. So anyway, vitamin E is a anti-free radicals. Alam niyo yan, mga free radicals na yan, di ba? Mga reactive oxygen species, di ba? And antioxidant. It also protects, vitamin C protects the vitamin A levels and essential fatty acids in the body. It has okay. Did you know that vitamin E has vitamin E has aspirin-like properties. When you say aspirin-like properties, ibig sabihin pa pag may diabetes, high blood, bibigyan ka ng aspirin para ka mag-stroke. Ang vitamin E does the same. As a matter of fact, ang vitamin E protects the walls of the blood vessels, yung mga ugat natin. Kasi, studies have shown that ang stroke is not actually because malapot ang dugo. Yun ang nasabi ng doktor di ba? Inukulo kang doktor, niluko kayo. But vitamin E, actually, ang cause ng stroke, di ba yung dugo? Di ba yung ugat? Tapos dumadaloy dun yung dugo. At yung pagtama ng dugo dun sa wall, sa lumen ng blood vessel, ang tawag doon shearing. Yung shearing na yan ang nagkakos ng stroke and heart attack. And vitamin E protects the walls of the blood vessels to prevent heart attack and stroke. That is the reason why they say that vitamin E has aspirin-like properties because it can prevent heart attack and stroke. So if you take vitamin E, you don't have to take aspirin. Yeah. Naman! Okay, as na ba? So, ayun, no? Actually, vitamin E protects the walls of the capillary wall. It maintains the moisture of the skin.